What's the easiest trend you can cash in on right away for your online store? Offering apparel in popular colors you know customers want to buy. What's going on, folks? It's Talish from Printify, and it's officially time for the color roundup you've been waiting for, finding out which colors did best in 2023 and what you can expect to do well in 2024. Offering items in colors you know people want to buy is the quickest way to grab their attention. And that's because, whether they realize it or not, your customers can pick up on what's trending, either because of their other favorite brands or what's happening in pop culture. Eventually, the color trends they notice will become the colors they expect to buy. Now, of course, you can always rely on evergreen choices like black, white, or navy blue, but ultimately, anything that makes your items as unique as possible and on trend is what will win you sales. Now, to understand why certain colors work over other colors and where these trends come from, check out this video we made last year. In the meantime, let's take a look at the top selling colors on Printify and what Etsy and Pantone predict will be hot in the year to come. Let's start by looking at our top selling colors from last year to what did well this year. Now, like I said before, black, white, navy blue never fail, so we'll leave those out. But in 2022, the colors that sold best on Printify were natural, red, athletic heather, heather mauve, and light blue. But this year, however, we did see some of the same with a few surprises: sand, ash, natural, light blue, and light pink. Now, if we compare the two, you can clearly see that this year sellers had a common theme in mind. They mostly went in for neutral colors for their items, and there's a very good reason for that. Etsy highly recommends neutral colors, not only because they're incredibly versatile, but also because this refined minimalist style has become a very popular design trend. From high fashion to home decor, soft muted looks are the go-to look for buyers. But will that still be the case in 2024? Well, let's find out. Speaking of Etsy, their recent marketplace reports came out with some pretty interesting predictions. According to them, the year of Barbie isn't over just yet. In fact, they expect pink and rosy hues to continue selling well into the new year. And they also think earth tones like brown and natural hues like beige will be popular as well. However, over at Pantone, the world's leading authority on color creation and trends, their spring color report does also lay out classic neutral colors like brilliant white, mushroom, and northern droplet, proving Etsy's forecast about earth and neutral colors leading sales next year will likely be true. But they also had some interesting opinions about other colors they expect to do well. Colors like lemon drop, watercress, marlin, and desert flower. Now, even though Pantone makes these predictions for multiple industries and not just fashion, it wasn't long ago that current best-selling design trends like refined minimalism or neutral colors started out the same way as predictions, which is why paying attention to them will lead to a greater payoff later. Don't forget, picking up on color trends is important, but so is knowing your niche and being willing to forge your own path. So sure, try these colors out to see what works, but don't let that stop you from being creative. In fact, let us know in the comments which colors you think will be big in 2024. Like this video if it helped you, and if it did, then be sure to subscribe. But most importantly, from all of us here at Printify, have a happy holiday season and an even more wonderful new year.